my god, this shit feels weird, but you know what I'm saying? What's back, you know what I'm saying? Back with another, I was about to go to the track right now, but I see it raining a little bit, and you know what I'm saying? I have the GoPro on my forehead right now. You know what I'm saying? Wait, this motherfucker look nice as fuck. Hold up. This motherfucker look nice as fuck right now. Hold up. Hold on. Boom, bitch. God damn, this motherfucker tough. But yeah, bro, you hear this bitch? Right now we finna 500 horsepower or nothing. 500 horsepower or nothing. Y'all see it, little walk through. You know what I'm saying? Not too much. Y'all be saying I be yapping too much. So y'all just want me to shut my pussy up, my fucking mouth up and drive this bitch, right? I want to drive with the windows down, but I just know people's gonna look at me and be like, damn, bro, fuck, bro. Even though I'm gonna fuck him, I nut on him. Nut on them, not him. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got scared. Nah, that hole was clean though. That hole would have been clean if my dumbass didn't get scared. Where's the camera? If my dumbass didn't get scared, that hole would have been clean. But I'm gonna give y'all a little burnout. Fuck out of here. That shit. How the fuck y'all like that shit, huh? What the fuck? That is, oh, my Bluetooth disconnected, bro. Cardi B started playing. Oh shit, nigga. How y'all like that shit? And I got 2 POVs to show y'all. Hell yeah. We rolling in crazy. Now let me get my phone. Fuck out of here. Oh, I love rolling up and shit. Oh shit. Tunnel. It's sprinkling just a tad bit. This is in kilometers per hour. I don't know what kilo. KMH. It's not in PHH. Oh, where the fuck y'all, bruh? Y'all know what I'm saying, but it's in kilometers per hour. Yeah, that's what it's on, bro. Yo, it's just like, since I got the car imported from fucking what's it called? Look, there's a cop sitting right there. A cop sitting right there. I got the car imported from the US, right? So like it's just MPH. I don't know why, you know what I'm saying? Because of American muscle and shit. But why the fuck was that cop sitting right there? I never see cops down this road. But enough yapping, and let's get to rapping. Big booty, I start clapping. I go to my room and start fapping. All y'all gay niggas, I start laughing. I'm broke, right? Y'all rich. What happened? Nah, wait. No, I'm rich, y'all broke. What happened? Hey, I'm not broke. Fuck out of here. You see what I'm driving? Oh, nah. You see? Alright, bro. Enough rapping. I was supposed to take a turn way back. Motherfuckers. Oh shit. I did not know this street take you right there, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Nah, you discover new things every day. Now I know my city better. Oh my God, you see how the fuck I bounce like a Billy Bob? Like a bobhead. I bounce like a fucking bobhead, bro. Matter of fact, bro, I'm commentating, bro. I'm not even really like driving this shit. Like, this is done by a professional driver, so it's not me. You know what I'm saying? It's me who's talking, but I'm just so good at it. You know what I'm saying? Just how you're so good at sucking dick. You right there, bro. Yeah, bro. You're so good at sucking dick. I'm so good at commentating. Why I think it's catching up to me. I'm literally going. I'm not going, but like, it just that I'm. All right, bro. Enough talking. Yo, nah, he wants to race. Psych, boy. He don't want to race me. Was clean. Is this a that motherfucker was clean. the street very well. So if you know about this street, let me know in the comments down below if you know any potholes. Head ass, bro. Fucking head ass. Fucking head ass. Alright, bro. Enough talking. Enough talking. I'm limited to talking. Every word I say equals a dick I gotta suck. Yo, somebody was right here spunning this shit, nigga. Match. Bro, was that road wet? What the fuck? That road had to be wet than a bitch, cause I did the slide, then I tried to do a takeoff, and I was still spinning like a bitch. Hey man, though. I think I'm gonna call it a vid right there. You know what I'm saying? I've been driving for a little minute. You know what I'm saying? I've been spinning this shit for a little minute. I did some crazy shit. It was not really some, it was some crazy shit in the video, but you know what I'm saying? We upping it up every time. So before I get off here, I just wanna yap real quick, alright? So y'all give me a little minute to talk, you know what I'm saying? I gave y'all the video, now it's my turn, alright, pussy? Alright, so, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know how y'all fucking with this shit, you know what I'm saying? If y'all fuck with these vids, I've been seeing the love on these motherfuckers though, on these POVs, the last two POVs, like the only two POVs I got uploaded on this Camaro. Bro, them motherfuckers went crazy. Wait, doesn't the fucking 18-wheeler go? The POVs go crazy, bro. Like mad views, mad people, like mad likes and shit. Like I see that shit, bro. Like damn, y'all fucking with this shit. It's my turn, pussy. It's my turn, bitch. Fucking fat. Ooh, no. It's my turn, dumbass. Oh my god, bro. I was gonna say fucking funny guy, bro. Like I was gonna say a funny guy. He was a fucking funny guy. But okay, back. So you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I've been seeing the love on this shit, bro. So I was about to go to the track. I could still go to the track today, but I see this dude that's live there. It's not really that alive. It's not really that lit. And I know y'all want to see this motherfucker race at Yellow Belly. I want to see it too. I mean, I could race it with the street tires. I could race it with the street tires, but I'ma lose. Like, it's not an excuse, but I'm losing with street tires. I put some big old fatty fucking tires on this motherfucker. I'm smoking them. You know what I'm saying? But what's it called? Oh, I'm about to go buy some food. And what's it called? So that's why I don't want to go to Yellow Belly. I will go back and record the races like I used to. You know what I'm saying? See if y'all fucking with that still, or y'all fuck. Like obviously I want to switch it up, not only POVs the whole time. But y'all see this video was lit. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate the support, man. I'll see how y'all been doing. I've been yapping for a fat ass minute, but you know what I'm saying? Don't forget, bruh. Don't forget. Fuck that corny shit, bruh. Just matter of fact.